Make sure you finish it. If you finish it, you have qualified for the next level. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I'm seeing an unbelievable eating here. Jesus! Oh, it's finished. Oh yeah, we have the winner now. When I tell her come and celebrate at the camera, you are the winner. You have qualified. She is the winner. She has qualified for the next level. Alright, go. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Excluding this one, choose. You are choosing that one. Are you guys ready?
Okay.
Go.
You were not informed. Child.
Draw back a bit, draw back a bit. All right, who is the first to finish? Your own has not finished. So open your mouth. Wow! If you finish, open your mouth. Come close now. All right, come over to this place. This guy is the winner. He has qualified for the next level. All right, go. Come closer. You two,